We've got something really awesome to show you. You've got to see this. It's our new corner box. Welcome to MiniLand.ca. Our new corner box unit comes with one wall with shelves, one wall with a fireplace and a floor. It measures 10 by 10 by 10 inches. If you need to wire your corner box, which is of course optional, you can hide the wires in the back wall. Just make sure you do the wiring first. The corner box comes with 6 screws, 2 to attach the 2 walls one to another, and the other 4 to attach the floor to the walls. This should take about 5 minutes. All the holes are pre-drilled and we supply all the screws. The corner box comes in 2 colors, white with gold impression and walnut with gold impression. Because the box is open with no ceiling and providing a nice background, this is a great way to display and take pictures of your best miniature furniture. So, why delay? Get started today because you will only find them here, exclusively at MiniLand.ca.